Hi everybody, this is Anna from Koala Soap, and today we're going to be making teal green and purple soap using a little bit of bio glitter. I'm going to be using some clear melt and pour, and I'm going to use just mica. I'm going to again test to see if it could replace using a little bit of titanium dioxide. I have an issue with titanium dioxide. Every time I try to mix it, if I don't mix it perfectly, I see the little white specks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if we can make this work. It's white colored, and I'm actually going to mix it in with the green to make this more of an opaque, make one of them more opaque than the other. So let's go ahead and get this started. We're going to go ahead and get these melted, and we'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. So these are done. Let's see what they're at, just out of curiosity. So 158 and about 160. Okay, that's pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix our micas. Put in a little bit of alcohol here. And we're going to do just mica first, and we're going to put that into the one I want to make green. And we're going to do them separately. We'll see how it works. I'm going to put it in here. We're going to be using Energy. I have my mother-in-law coming, and I think she'll enjoy that scent. So we will be making her a nice little soap. I just want to make it a little bit opaque, and that seems to do a pretty good job. I think I'll be putting a little bit more in here. Alright, sorry, one of the puppies was getting into something, so I needed to take care of that real quick. Alright, so we're going to add in a little bit more of this just mica. All right, I'm not seeing too much of a difference, but let's see how it works with our teal green. I already have the alcohol in here, so I'm just going to add the mica. The other thing you can do, I don't mind working with titanium dioxide, I like to find easier ways so I don't have those little speckles. And I use a frother, and that seems to work okay. The other thing I've done is use a color block, and that works really well, which is what I might do too. Okay, so our green is mixed. We're using about, let's see, about a pound and a half. So I'm gonna go easy on the Energy though. I'm still gonna, you can put in 5 mLs per pound. I'm gonna just use, I think I'll use about 3 mLs. So let's go ahead and get this purple mixed. I'm actually gonna put the bio glitter in the purple because I'm gonna leave it a straight glycerin. The bio glitter will show up a lot better if it's just a straight glycerin, or on top of soaps too. It's always good thing here. All right, and we're mixed. Make sure we get every little bit of it. Okay, and then we're going to add our bio glitter. I actually might need to do this off camera because my gloves are so wet. Okay, it's got alcohol on it. It's really a pretty bio glitter. This one is it's a silver color. And it says made from plants, not plastic. So we'll use that. And everything I'm using today you can get off of Amazon. So I'm going to take 3 mLs. This is a 3 ml dropper. I'm going to put half in here and half in here. And then we will continue to mix. And we're going to let this get pretty cool before we pour. Okay, let's see where we're at. We have like a little skin that keeps wanting to pop up here. 141 and 144. So I think we're gonna bring it down to, I'm hoping the 120s before we pour, but we'll see. I'll monitor the skin and we'll be back. Okay, they have pretty thick skins on them now. $126, $128. I think we're good. Okay, let's go ahead and try to pour. Almost, actually guys, it was perfect. There you go. We'll squirt a little bit of alcohol. It almost looks like Maleficent. I guess that's what we'll call this soap when we're done. We'll see how it looks. Okay, let's wait for it to set and we will be back. Okay, and we're back. We're gonna go ahead and cut it. Kaylin's gonna keep this and we're gonna give one to Grancy. So there it is. We're going to go ahead and cut. So when you're using this, make sure you push it all the way up and off to one side. Try to keep it there. So it really does look like Maleficent. It really, really does. Especially with the, I'll show you the little swirl thing there. Which gives me an idea for the next soap. Okay. So you can see this little swirl thing going on in here. I always notice that. What's with the pour? It's an interesting design that always seems to happen. More here. This is probably the most interesting one. I like that, the bottom. This will definitely be the Evil Queen soap. Okay, so this gives me an idea for the next soap, so I will probably set up and do that immediately. So this is Anna from Koala Soap, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And this is basically glycerins. Why didn't I use opaque melt and pour like shea butter or what have you, was because I've always noticed that the glycerins swirl a little bit better. So I'm going to actually do the next one with a white color block with the color mixed in to see how that one looks. Okay, so this is Anna from Koala Soap. Thank you so much for watching and joining us, and we will see you next time.